Welcome to House Unboxed, a luxury clearance showroom shopping experience where you can purchase beautiful curated, fine quality exclusive furniture, rugs, arts, decor items, beautiful things from cushions to curtains and bedding, all for your luxury experience. I am Fani Cronje for House Unboxed, and this is the series styled by Fani. Ek is Fani Cronje en as 'n stylist en stylkenner is dit vir my baie lekker om saam met House Unboxed wonderlike decor plekke te skep vir jou. My job would be to create beautiful living spaces, something that you like, something that will inspire you with the use of furniture, color, texture, accessories, decor, and just have a look to see what beautiful things House Unboxed can reveal to you and make your home the dream home you always wanted or inspired to have, with help from professional people, curated by the best in the industry. You will be surprised and you'll also fall in love with what we can offer you. For this episode, our very first episode, we're going to start with the heart of the home, and that is the living space. We're going to show you how to start from a basic rug to a couch to color, what to do to make it your own and have a space created that you will love and you would feel safe and comfortable in. That is all part of the House Unboxed magic. Kom eens kyk wat gebeur. The basic space of your living room need a few objects that it can't go without. So wat ons nodig het is om te begin 'n bank. Dit is die begin en regtig die einde van hierdie vertrek. 'n Mat maak 'n groot verskil. Ek sê jou aanbeveel om baie goed te belê in 'n goeie mat. Dan wil jy natuurlik ander stoele hê as jou pelle kom rugby kyk. So kom ons sê byvoorbeeld, hierso is 2 mure agter ons. 'n Vertrek het 4 mure. Algemeen onthaalwe, daar sal die een wees, en kom ons sê daar's 'n venster, so aan hierdie kant sal die TV wees. So jy plaas jou bank natuurlik waar jy gaan sit die meeste van die tyd hier, en jy gaan rugby kyk. Jou pelle, 2 ekstra stoele. Wat lekker is van an occasional chair is you can move it according the room as you would like it to be placed. For example, right here. So guys, now we have basically a skeleton, a bachelor's pad, but we want to create a living space that you absolutely are in love with. You cannot go without a corner table. The reason for the corner table is to place it in a little negative space in a corner where nothing happens. That we're going to dress up later. We're going to show you what to add, what not to add. And then very important, of course, is having a beautiful coffee table right in the center. So wat ons nou gaan doen is, ons sit 'n koffietafel by. Ek sê nogal aanbeveel om mooi te dink, nie noodwendig vierkantig nie. Alles in hierdie spasie op die stadium is vierkantig. 'n Ronde koffietafel gaan net 'n beter balans bring. So natuurlik, jy wil nie net 'n generiese vertrek hê nie, jy wil die vertrek bietjie meer jou eie maak. En hoe ons dit doen is, by eenvoudige goed soos keuse van die lamp wat jy gaan insit, wat se kussings jy gaan insit. 'n Kussing is 'n baie wonderlike ding om jou vertrek na jou te laat lyk. So die vertrek wat ons hier het is nogal baie basies. Ons het 'n roommat, die bank is net in 'n tipe van 'n kameelbruin. Ons occasional chairs is in 'n afgrys. So kom ons bly vir nou by 'n neutrale kussing. Dis nogal vir die van ons wat sê ons hou van iets eenvoudigs wat baie wonderlik is en ons hou, maar miskien is daar 'n bietjie meer iets wilds aan jou. Die manier om dit te doen is om hierdie vertrek op te kikker met 'n lekker wilde kussing. So the basic of your room starts with a rug. Please don't ignore the importance of that. It not only ties the room together, it gives it a warm and comfortable place to be in. When you place the couch on the rug, make sure that the legs are on top of it, not in front of it. The same with your occasional chairs. It gives balance, it expands the room, and it just makes it more comfortable to be in. Never ever underestimate the importance of lighting. So we do want a lamp that we're going to place in the corner Where the negative space is where we place the round table. Once again, 'n stock standard, gewone klein lampie. Hy's baie mooi, hy's baie sweet. Hy's nie noodwendig iets wat dekor inspirasie is nie. Kom ons sit hom in die hoek by die tafel. Ek dink hy's heeltemal te klein. Wat jy dan doen is, ons kies 'n groter lampskerm, wat ek ook hier naby het. So in jou tafel kan jy self besluit wat 'n lampskerm. Hierdie een is klein, hierdie een is te groot, so jy wil basies 'n middelman hê, een wat balans bring. Maar ek dink is nogal heel oulik om met die lampie hier te sit. 'n Ander baie lekker tip is, as jy baie graag vriende oorkry, is om jou ronde koffietafel te vervang met 'n ottoman. An ottoman doubles up as a coffee table as well as an extra seating. So if you have a lot of guests, it's very nice to have it here. I wouldn't place it in front of the main couch, of course, no one's going to see the rugby. You can place it and move it around the room as ever you please. It's beautiful, it's practical, but we want to add a little bit more inspiration, love, passion, and that little extra, that's you, that's your identity. I've created this space that's not basic, a room for you to live in, a room to be surrounded by beautiful things that you like. It's all about what your taste is, it's not about mine. So I changed the rug to something with more texture. The reason for that is to combine the furniture, to bring the colors that we introduced and make it a whole. Remember, to never work with more than 3 basic colors. Otherwise, it's just getting a bit tacky. Green, I love green. So I decided on this beautiful green couch. I think it is classic, yet neutral in a way, complements the earth tones of the carpet. Personally, I like to add a plant. Ligte het ek besluit om te bly vir hierdie spesifieke klein toneel. Something that is also natural, something that is also earthy. So the reason, I'm sure you picked it up from the beginning, why these are a little bit out of shape, to show the imperfection. Hierdie vertrek is deur 'n mens bymekaar gesit, nie 'n computer nie en nie AI nie. To make this basic room even more human, I have selected one of my favorite. So I have decided to make this space a little bit more my own by introduce this beautiful, beautiful Nguni hide. We're basically decorating the rug with the hide, but never in the same position. I love this. I think it's unexpected. I think it gives a richness of texture. What we love about texture is it's about feeling. En alles wat ons voel, maak ons lewendig. So ons is mense. So ek dink sover is hierdie vertrek van ons besig om baie lekker. It's getting a lot of shape, and I hope it's getting a lot of soul. Very important game changers is your selection of scatter cushions. So guys, ladies are so good with it. Ladies have got a beautiful, beautiful feel for a scatter cushion. Vir baie ouens, ons steur ons nie eintlik daaraan nie. Ek gaan jou advies gee, as jy 'n kussing kies, kyk na die kleur van die meubels wat jy reeds het en vat daai kleur. So, ons het groen, dis hoekom ek groen hier ingebring. Dit help baie. Ons het bruine, jy het klaar jou mat. The first thing you bought, the carpet. Jy het die mat, kyk wat daarin is. As jy naby sal sien, sê jy sien, soos 'n bietjie groen. But I have decided on green. And if you look at the bigger picture of the room, we already have white in the tables. There's some form of an off-white, milk tart, oatmeal, whatever you want to call, of net 'n gewone room, of beige, in die mat sowel as in ons Nguni vel. En dan 'n wonderlike ding, 'n wonderlike ding om te hê in jou vertrek, is this beautiful throw. So, a lot of ladies understand throws so well. A lot of guys dink is net 'n kombers. Maar as jy hom koop, en dit is winter. Jy kan net wel ene koop wat mooi is, ene wat jy hier kan los, wat jy nie hoef op te vou, of weg te steek, of te bære nie. Ene wat bly by jou mooi woonvertrek. Another thing is, if the couch had a pattern, I would have recommended a non-pattern throw. But because of the plain fabric, unpatterned fabric, I think we need a bit of texture with the way this is woven, as well as a pattern. I think this is a lovely, lovely, easy, comfortable, basic living space that's got a lot of soul. So guys, this is a room that I love, a room that is both correct by decor standards, but I did my best to make it my own. A very interesting and undeniable sight for sore eyes, but something that we can't live without, is of course the lovely wires. So ons het die drade wat ons moet hê om ons ligte, wat weer eens, julle gaan dit my baie hoor sê, beligting is so belangrik soos die kleur van jou mure. Wat gaan ons doen om van daai terrible drade ontslae te raak, wat net onnodig is? Watch this space, because I will unbox this little tip by the end of this episode. When we started, I said the basic is the table, the coffee table in the center of the room, when we said to break the squareness of the room, to make use of a round one. But as it turned out, my occasional chairs, they've got a rounding. 'n Lekker tip wat ek nou vir julle wil gee is, as ons iets geplaas het in ons vertrek, soos hierdie tafel nou, stap uit, kyk terug, kry 'n idee van die vertrek, hou ek daarvan, hou ek nie daarvan nie, ek is actually mal hieroor. Yes, I think the round table is absolutely wonderful. What we're going to put on top of it, of course, we can have some coffee, we could have drinks, snacks, whatever your preference is. Something else is some decor items. Those things that we've got that just lift a room, that we don't know always what to do with it. This is a beautiful, beautiful pot. I think it can work like this, but I think once I'm in front of the TV, this really might be annoying. But I still love it. Let's leave it in the room. I think the spacing for that pot there is really nice. It's not perfect. It's a little tiny bit misplaced. I love that. I'm going to keep that there, even though it's not 100% in balance. And if you're a little bit more adventurous, if you want more fun, you can always try something like a scatter cushion that is a little bit crazy for some. Remember, anything permanent, it's never a good idea. Scatter cushions aren't permanent. So let's have a look at this one. Niche not in everyone's taste. I think it's fun, I think it's exciting. What'll happen if we place it there and recycle these green ones, maybe put them on these occasional chairs. Let's have a look. Believe it or not, I'm having this. I think the white is saving it. So let's leave it there for a while. This is my house. I like it. I have to live with it. So I'm going to leave that there as well. And that is how you choose some accessories, something to give your space some soul, something different, something that's not perfect. Is that little thing, like I said before, that doesn't really match, that's not really curated. So I'm going to leave that for my own fun and games. Let's move to our coffee station. Okay, so the beautiful staff at House and Box created this little coffee set. And I think it's working perfectly. It's very styled with the white, this is really professionally done. And there's many reasons I love House and Box, because all the things we see in this specific room is from them. It is once-off pieces, it is collector's items, it is high-end exclusive products for a very, very good price. Ek is absoluut mal oor mooi goed. En ek dink die meeste van ons, en ek dink as jy spesifiek na hierdie program kyk, is jy ook iemand wat geïnspireer is deur mooi goed. En die wonderlike mense by House and Box het hierdie baie oulike blaar vir ons gegee, wat mooi lyk, maar min wetend, soos wat enige goeie ontwerp is dit ook prakties. En dit is 'n vrugtebal. Ek sal graag my beskuite op hom wil sit. Dis iets wat net vir my mooi is en wat ek eintlik dink ek wil koop. So now that we are basically done with decorating our living space, you could see the difference is the adding of the picture. And that is unboxing, our final tip for this episode. That is to place an oversized picture in front of the cables. It is so uninvasive. You don't have to worry about a thing. You can't see it anymore. En dit is ook een van die mees opwindendste huidige trends, is om 'n oorgrootte prent teen die muur te sit en hom nie te hang nie. So ek hoop julle hou daarvan.